Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and also like this video. Musa Kaula is coming for Londie, London. This time he has alleged that the singer has been kicked out of her Hillcrest home with fiancé Hlubing Kosi. Musa further went on to allege that Hlubi impregnated a woman named Phumla M and is even considering taking her as a second wife, you guys. Musa wrote this on Twitter. Londie London moves out of her Hillcrest home she shared with her gangster-looking fiancé Hlubing Kosi. Hlubi allegedly impregnated another woman known as Phumla M. It is said that Hlubi is considering taking Phumla as a second wife and are said to have been dating for 2 years. Now, the Popcorn Room has also alleged that when Londie threw his fiancée a surprise party, the side chick Hlubi, who also happens to be pregnant at the same time with Londie London, was also at the party and she was with her friends. You guys, the Popcorn Room wrote this. Guys, imagine throwing your man a surprise party, then you find out his side and her friends were there too. Pregnant side, that is. Man really hates us. So now the main and the side are both pregnant at the same time. That was written by the Popcorn Room, you guys. And now in the comment section on Musa's post, people have come for Londie London, saying that it was her karma after it was alleged that she broke Hlubi and Kim Koliwe's relationship. Musa alleged this, you guys. Did you know that a couple of years back, Londie London snatched Hlubing Kosi from Kim Koliwe? Phumla M is set on snatching Hlubing Kosi from Londie London. And the comment section was buzzing, you guys, with comments such as these. Imagine having that big ass and your man still takes another wife. Yo, amadoda, hai, ngeke. And Mabusi's theory of knowing Londie London's husband from the streets is proven. And you guys, a publication has also reported that Hlubing Kosi, Londie London's fiance, has taken her car away from her, a G-Wagon, and has actually given it to Phumla M, the news site check and soon-to-be wife. Remember that these are all alleged. And it is also said that he has taken Phumla to meet his family, you guys. Now there you have it. Do engage with me in the comment section below, like, share and also subscribe.